everyone, welcome back to the channel. Brendan here, aka Cliffjumper, and we are back with my son's 124 Spider Abarth project with yet again a fun project instead of an annoying repair project. So today we continue our quest to carbon fiber all the things, and we're going to carbon fiberify part of this car. So keep watching. So this is probably like legitimately a 2-minute mod for most of you who go in, and my normal things are modifications that take multiple days and many hours and lots of effort. This is not one of those. This is literally just pop a piece off and put another piece on it, and it looks good. Carbon fiber looks good on everything. So what we're going to show you here is the door sills on this 124 Spider. If you've never worked on a car before, this is one of those easily achievable modifications that you can do. Just stick your finger underneath. Oh, look at that. It comes right out. Boom. That thing came off. Super easy. It's just got some pop clips in it. They come right off. And then the aftermarket part that's going on does not have the same sort of clips. So instead, it's just double-sided 3M body molding tape that's going to hold it in place. And it probably comes with it already installed, ready for you to go. So you just peel off the red stuff, pop it in, and there you go. Now these are lovingly pre-tested and given to us by someone else. So we actually need to put on some fresh double-sided tape before we pop it on. I'm not going to bother filming that because you can put tape on anything. But all that's going to happen once we have the tape is, boom, it just goes on. It goes in place. That's it. So it's a really easy mod. I will show you after we've actually put it in place what it looks like. Yeah, I'll come back in a few minutes. So this is a replacement piece. It should just sit nicely right where the old one was. Gently put it down in place. And I think we need, oh no, the adhesive is still not quite touching. So we need a little bit more adhesive laid up there to make contact. As a matter of fact, I might put some right here and right here just to make sure that it's sticking all the way. More adhesive.
5 minutes later.
Doesn't that look nice? Carbon fiber door sill. Perfect for what a Spider Abarth needs, along with the flappy paddle extensions we just added. So anyway, it's very easy, very achievable. You can do this modification yourself at home. I shudder to even call it a modification because there's so little work involved. Hope that helped you out, maybe inspired you. Go modify all the things. Carbon fiber is good. More carbon fiber, the better. God bless you. Let me know what you're working on. How can I be praying for you? And we'll see you next time. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Bye-bye.
And on that terrible disappointment, it's time to say goodbye. We'll be back.